Welcome to the Plural's NeoEHR. Here is a guide to add a patient successfully as a front desk personnel. After logging in, you'll land on the Appointments for Today list. Click on the Add New Patient button. Now let us fill in the patient's details. A unique patient ID is auto-generated. You can edit it. Just make sure it matches your facility's format. Enter the first name, last name, date of birth, phone number, and gender. These are mandatory. You can optionally add other details like physical address, email address, and also toggle "Is patient new to the hospital?" if this is their first visit. You can also add other personal details like ethnicity, religion. These are not mandatory. Fill in the next of kin details. If the address is the same, just click the Same as Above button to copy it. You can perform the same action for guardian details. If the patient has health insurance, choose the provider type, then the provider, coverage, and enter the insurance ID. Add the start and end dates, enrollment type, like primary or beneficiary, and add the third-party administrator, if applicable. You can click Add Provider to include multiple insurance affiliations. Was the patient referred? Fill in the referral details and attach any documents. Finally, review all the details added. Make sure required fields are complete and no duplicate records exist. Click Save and Close to completely add the patient to your hospital database, or create appointment if they are around and would like to schedule an appointment. And that's it. Your patient has been successfully added to your facility.